Alright folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. You see where we're at. We're at the racetrack. We're at Maryland International Raceway. Testing and tuning. We're doing no time. There's all kinds of Hellcats, red eyes, scat packs. Demon 170. There's at least 2 out here. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna get some racing in. We're gonna see what Shake and Bake can do on this setup with Max Cam. So stay tuned, folks.
Round 1.
Here we go, folks. First round. Pretty good run, folks. Pretty good run. All right. Yeah, buddy. Gonna have to check the log on that one. Shutting down all my cameras. Draggy says 10-1. Car says 10-1. Let's see what the time slip got to say. Alrighty, thank you. Alright, 152, 60 foot. 6'4" to the 8th at 109. Oh, 10:09 at 135. Not a bad run, folks. Definitely not a bad run. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna cool down for a little bit and come back up for another one.
Round 2.
There we go, folks. Round 2. a pretty good run. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Car says 10-0. Draggy says 998. Let's see what the time slip got to say. Alrighty, thank you. 60 foot, still terrible. 159, 60 foot. 649 to the 8th at 111. 10-0 at 140. Oh, we got the mile an hour back. But 60 foot is just sucking. Well, hey, it is what it is. We do what we do. Car does what it does. We got a few issues, and I'm going to point them out when I get back to the pits. Alright folks, so we ran into a couple issues. One, this bracket here came loose, so I had to tighten that up. This one was a little bit loose, tightened it up. The kicker, not sure if you can see it, but this bracket right here is totally missing. It's totally gone. So the ProCharger was kicked out a little bit. So when I tightened it up, it brought it back in. So we were leaking oil all around here. So what I did is tighten everything up, made another pass, and now there's no oil spray. So that's where the oil was coming from. So I'm gonna order another one of those tomorrow, have it shipped to the place I'm staying in Florida. Hopefully it gets there in time. So that will fix that. The second piece is, not sure if you can see it down in there. The ATI balancer is hitting the fan wires and split the fan wires. So when I get home today, we're gonna jack it up and try and get that fixed. And then we should be good to go. Alrighty folks, y'all saw those couple issues that we had. And that was holding us back from getting what we thought we were gonna get. So we were definitely looking to go a little bit faster, but hey, when you're at this kind of horsepower, this many modifications, stuff's gonna happen. And unfortunately today, stuff happened. But luckily enough, it's stuff we can fix. So I'm able to go to Florida. So it's not like I have to cancel going to Florida. We can fix it. The fan, the wires, fixable. ProCharger, obviously fixable, because just tightening up those two clamps fixed it. But I am going to order another clamp to replace that one as well. So we're not out of the ball game. It was just a bad first day at the track. Not a bad first day. It was a mediocre first day. Because running two 10-0s is pretty fast, folks. And I'm happy with a couple 10-0s. That's close enough to 9 for me. I don't know about you, but close enough to 9 for me, right?
Hopefully.
Cross your fingers. So, hey, that's gonna do it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do them few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on the social media. I'll definitely, Mac will appreciate it. I'll appreciate it.
Held up, though. Suspension held up.
Suspension held
Did it
up.
at least go straight?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Where was I at?
Subscribe.
Subscribe, share it on your social media. I appreciate it. Shake and bake with it, appreciate it. Comment. Everything from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Till next time, adios.